ActiveCampaign versus MailerLite, two of the biggest names in email marketing, but only one can come out on top. Which one really delivers? On the left, ActiveCampaign, advanced automation and CRM made for growth-driven teams. And on the right, MailerLite, simple, effective, and affordable email marketing. Let's skip the buzzwords and dive into what actually matters for your business. We'll score both tools across real-world categories. And by the end, you'll see exactly who wins. The answer might surprise you. First off, here's a quick mind map. We're comparing price, automation and workflows, ease of use, analytics and reporting, CRM integration, integrations, customer support, design and builder tools, and multi-channel marketing. Yep, I've got all angles covered. Kicking things off with price. Okay, ActiveCampaign, it's packed with features, but honestly, you're going to feel that upfront cost. No free plan, so if you're on a tight budget, you might hesitate. I mean, you get crazy automation, but only if you cough up some cash. On the flip side, MailerLite? Oh, and here's something cool. Totally free for up to 1,000 subscribers. Their paid plans are way more wallet-friendly. Sure, you'll need the higher-tier plans for fancy stuff, but for most folks starting out, that's kinda perfect. So, MailerLite clearly takes price. Now, automation and workflows. ActiveCampaign basically goes ham here. If you want customized automations, stuff like SMS triggers, web behavior, or even scoring leads, it's all possible. It's honestly a dream if you love tinkering. The catch? It takes a hot minute to learn. Then there's MailerLite, which is more, just chill. Easy templates, basic automations, mostly just email. Great for beginners, but you'll hit a ceiling fast if you want next-level things. If you really care about automation, ActiveCampaign's the winner. Moving on to ease of use, ActiveCampaign's got a slick visual builder and a solid community, but oh man, the interface can sometimes feel overwhelming, especially if you just want something simple. Now, MailerLite, this is where it shines. The drag and drop layout, super intuitive. Honestly, it's hard to mess up. Minimalist vibes everywhere. If you're new to email or just want things quick and easy, MailerLite wins here. Oh, here's a cool fact. MailerLite started out in Lithuania and now sends literal billions of emails every year. Meanwhile, ActiveCampaign runs automations for over 180,000 global businesses. Kind of wild, right? Analytics and reporting time. ActiveCampaign is just loaded. ROI tracking, funnel analytics, you name it. You can dig way deep, like almost too deep if you're just sending a newsletter for your blog. MailerLite, on the other hand, gives you your basics, opens, clicks, all clean and simple. Totally fine for most campaigns, but if you want to flex on data-driven marketing, ActiveCampaign absolutely crushes this category. Next, CRM integration. So ActiveCampaign is not messing around. It's got a full-on CRM built in. Pipelines, tasks, syncs with automations. It does the sales stuff too. But yeah, if you just want an email tool, it might feel a bit extra. MailerLite is more basic. Tags and lists, and decent segmentation. No actual CRM though, so you'll be missing sales pipeline tools. For serious business growth, ActiveCampaign wins yet again. Integrations. This is fun. ActiveCampaign has like over 900 integrations. Salesforce, HubSpot, Zapier, your favorite pizza place? Okay, maybe not that last one. MailerLite gives you 140 plus. Still decent. WordPress, Shopify, Stripe, all the essentials are covered. But if your business needs a ton of connections, ActiveCampaign is the way to go. Customer support. ActiveCampaign support is available 24/7 if you're on a paid plan, and there's a giant knowledge base, though some users say really tough questions take longer. MailerLite's support is solid, especially for paid users, and the setup guides are super helpful. But heads up, folks on the free plan say replies take a while. In terms of overall coverage and reliability, ActiveCampaign squeaks ahead for support. Design and builder tools. ActiveCampaign offers a modern visual builder, and you can tweak with rich text or HTML, but it mostly sticks to email designs. Might feel a bit technical if you want fancy graphics. MailerLite, though, wow, drag and drop builder. Big template gallery, and even an integrated CMS and blog builder. It's actually kind of cool if you need quick design flexibility. For creativity and simplicity, MailerLite wins. And finally, multi-channel marketing. ActiveCampaign can send email, SMS, web messages, run Facebook ads, chat. Seriously, it ticks all the boxes. It's not just an email thing. MailerLite, pretty much email only. No SMS, no ads, just keeping things focused. So, ActiveCampaign wipes the floor here if you want to spread your marketing everywhere. Let's pull back for a sec and look at the overall radar chart. You'll see how ActiveCampaign dominates for automation, depth, and business features, while MailerLite scores highest for price, usability, and design. So here's my honest take. If you need serious power, automations, a built-in CRM, and multi-channel action, ActiveCampaign is 100% the better choice, especially if you're a fast-growing team or sales-focused. But if you just want a simple, affordable, beginner-friendly toolkit you won't outgrow in a month, MailerLite is kind of a no-brainer. Different strokes for different folks, right? If you found this breakdown useful, give us a follow. I'll be comparing plenty more software platforms to help you pick the best fit for your workflow.